Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we want to do a kind of a first-person point of view ride along of one of our favorite scooters that's on the market right now. It's called the Baja Raptor 2. It's a four-wheel recreational scooter that's super fast. It's really fun to ride and the suspension is exceptionally smooth. Before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any content that comes out about new products from different brands in the industry, whether it's a mobility scooter, lift chair, electric wheelchair. Also, we have a catalog. So if you would like to request a free catalog to be sent to your home of our top sellers, you can go to our website to request that, or you can call us to request one. And once we receive the request, it takes about 10 days to get to you. So let's get into it. So the Baja Raptor 2 four-wheel obviously is the four-wheel version of the Raptor 2 three-wheel. So it actually has the same design from here back. It's exactly the same as the Baja Raptor 2 three-wheel. It's only from this section forward where the assembly is on the front of the wheels. That's what's different about the scooter. It has multiple color options. So as far as this color can be changed, this is the black color. There's a blue, a red. Also, you can change this color shroud on the front. So you can mix and match when you order it, different styles of different color shrouds and then the color of the entire scooter. So that's really cool that you have those options and the ability to do that. So you might look at this and think that there's not a lot of storage, and there is a little bit of storage right here on the tiller. So you can put like your wallet in there, maybe your cell phone, but there is lockable storage under the seat. So if you take the keys out of the ignition and you put them in here, you have some storage inside underneath the seat. Right now we have the charger in here, but you can definitely secure some belongings in here, which is really cool. And it's hidden, so you're not really gonna know that's even there. Seat is super comfortable. It's a deluxe style captain seat. It's got a lot of depth and it slides forward or backwards, which is really cool. It does recline. There's a recline here, so you can recline a little bit. There's a suspension on the front and the back. On the tiller, it's a digital dash here, so you have your speedometer, your odometer, your battery life. There's a high speed and a low speed here. Top speed's 13 miles per hour on this. You have a forward and reverse switch. This is your thumb throttle. This is how you accelerate. It's on the right side standard, but you can get it switched to the left side if you wanted to. You get a horn button on both sides. Pretty loud, sounds like a car horn. It's really cool. This is your lighting package here. That's how you turn on the lights. You have blinkers. A little hard to see in the daytime, but the blinkers are right here on each side. Your left and right blinker. You've got a headlight up here, and then you have this light that lights up based on how you switch it, and it just kind of illuminates. This doesn't really light the path in front of you necessarily, but it makes sure that you're seen. It gives it a nice like aesthetic look in the evening, but this is your headlight. Mirrors are adjustable. Got the charging port down here underneath the seat. But let's do the fun part here, which is riding this thing. So super quiet. It also has electromagnetic brakes, so when you let off the throttle, the brakes will automatically engage. And what I want to show is there's a hill right here. Because it has electromagnetic brakes, you can creep down this hill really slow. Like I can let off the throttle and the brakes will keep me on this hill. Pride Mobility is probably the best brand in the mobility industry. They've been around the longest out of everyone. They have lots of different products, and the Raptor 2 is actually part of their Baja Mobility division, which is like a recreational scooter division. So these are like faster scooters, have a longer battery range. They're not FDA approved, but they're just kind of more fun scooters to take with you. Like if you're going camping or you live in a retirement community, these are like great options. And we have some other ones that we'll show in other videos. There's an off-road track up here, so let's take it on that just to show the capability of this thing. So you can see there's this gravel track right here. We'll test it out on here. Here's some thick gravel. Handles that without any problem. And it has these, these are just different obstacles to kind of test it on, test the suspension. The suspension on this is really, really smooth. One thing that's really awesome about Pride is Pride Mobility takes pride in being the best brand in the industry. Their warranty is really good. They have an exceptional warranty. Their support is excellent too. And the support includes a 1-year labor contract. If you have any issues with your scooter, first they're going to try to troubleshoot that with you over the phone. But if they cannot troubleshoot that with you, they'll send a technician to your home for the first year, which is really nice. If you have any questions about the Baja Raptor 2, any of the products in the Baja Mobility product line, definitely give us a call. We'd love to help you out and earn your business. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a great day.